Hey, what's up? So let's now continue by loading these tasks from the local storage when the page loads and display them before the user can maybe add more. So, but first thing, we need to commit these changes and add them. I keep forgetting this. So git commit message save tasks into local storage, git push origin save tasks into local storage, and let's go into our issues. Oh, we did not create one for that. I mean, I guess it's fine. Let's just create a pull request. I think you get the idea. That's why. Maybe I'm lazy as well, but let's just create this PR. Let me mute my phone. Sorry. Okay, so we'll put every change from here into our master and assign myself labels are enhancement, create PR. Now I will merge it. Now let's get check out to master. Now we look at this now. Not sure why I like looking at when the code changes. So get pull origin master. Yeah, very nice. So now what we need to do is to load them. But loading these won't happen on a click, right? Will happen as soon as the page loads. So we can put it at the start. So document, local storage dot get item tasks, and let's parse that. Now we can loop over this. So maybe this might be null, right? Remember that. So if tasks, and yeah, actually this means if this is not null or undefined, actually we can do this here. So if task, which makes much sense, like this, and let's just swap these, right? It's much better. Let me format it. And here, if we have the tasks, so just loop over them. We can actually loop over an array using for each, and this will accept a function. Each element will exist in this function. So this, I'll call it a task. What I will do, I will pass this into the insert task into page function, right? It's really cool. I'm using the same functions I used on the creation when loading these. So let's go and look at the browser now. Might be what you might see an error. Who knows? Can't access insert task into page before initializing. So yeah, I think I will put this here after initializing this function. If you think about it, why I can reference it here, because this won't be referenced unless the button is clicked. So, and this will be clicked after everything here is initialized. This is why this works, and this one. So I will put this here after initializing this function. So it will be available to be called. So as you can see, this is our application. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for 3 tasks. And as soon as I load it, they are loaded here. So I am on incognito. Let's open it. They won't be here. That's something to be, or that's something to remember. Local storage will be stored on the current session of the browser. So if I close this and open it again, this will be stored. But in incognito does not store your session. So this stuff won't be here. So if I did this and refresh, it will be, but if I close the session, now open it again, it won't be there. So that's something to remember. This is like some of the differences between incognito and incognito mode and normal browser mode. If I logged in here maybe into Facebook and closed the whole browser and opened Facebook again, I won't be logged in. Something to remember. So now Even if I close the whole browser and open it again, put the link, you will see the task will be loaded. So this is very nice. Local storage things will always be here, they won't be deleted. And actually there is a limit to the storage, I'm not sure, but maybe it's 50 megabytes. And these, if I open this tab from another PC, these tabs won't be here. This one is stored locally on this machine for this application. So yeah, that's something to remember. Usually we store this here, some stuff that are related to the user. We don't store something like this, but just for the sake of this tutorial, I'll store it here. I'll store the tasks here and continue with that. So yeah, these are some stuff to remember. You should read definitely about local storage to investigate even more about it. But yeah, that's something to remember. If you open the browser in the normal mode, they will be saved, but only in this current browser. If I opened the same application from a different browser, these won't be there. These are locally. All of this here is local to this browser, to this tab as well. Okay, this is something to remember. Oops, should not close that. So now we will reach, I think, the most complex thing in this tutorial in the next video. How I can delete or mark this one as completed. How I can do this. How I can attach, I mean, at the end we attached an event listener, this, on this create task button, which is this one as well. Yeah, this one. We actually attached this on it like this. We grabbed it and attached event listener on it. But how we can do this on these buttons? I mean, it's completely illogical to create or to write this code for each one of them. I mean, first thing, I don't know how many tasks I will have, and each task have 2 buttons. Imagine I have 4,000 tasks. I mean, tasks. You won't write 4,000 block of code like this. I mean, it's stupid. So I will show you a really cool way to do it, and I think after that will be into our simple to-do list application. Hopefully you will be learned by then very awesome stuff about JavaScript, or at least how we can do it. Maybe, yeah, or you might learn about Git and GitHub. I think the main idea behind this, since I almost finished, is just to make you like get used to do this kind of stuff, to get used to this syntax, to do these, to inject HTML like this. I think this is the main idea, to get used to create pull request and so on. So let's create another pull request. I did not create an issue, so, and I actually modified this without checking out to a branch. So get check out, or without creating a branch. So I will check out that changes into a new branch. Load the tasks from local storage, push origin. Oh no, you need to add them first, right? Git add, git commit, load tasks from local storage, push origin, load tasks from local storage. And we need to create a PR for that. We did not delete that branch, so let me return and delete it. But after this one, same stuff. I think we are used to this for now. And let's go to the closed PRs, merge this, delete this branch. I need to go now to the save tasks PR and delete that branch. I don't need it anymore. Done. So now everything will be into the master. Let's check out to master. Let's just get pull origin master. So yeah, now everything is the same. Something to note, if I type get branch, this will tell me all the branches I have, but these are locally. Remotely I only have one branch, the rest are deleted. I can restore them, but they are deleted. I think to make this sync, you put get fetch. Now if I hide, or I think they won't be deleted locally, I'm not quite sure, but yeah, you can just ignore this information. But yeah, next video will be hopefully the last one. I will show you how we can delete these dynamically and add them, and yeah, delete them and mark them as completed. Maybe when they are completed, they will be like disabled, so you can't click on these. And when you delete them, they will be removed from the UI and removed from the local storage database. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.